Welcome back. And if you are new here, welcome to Green Forex Academy, helping traders become more profitable. If you haven't yet subscribed and press the notification bell to receive notification each time I upload a new video. In this video, I'll be talking about scalping with stop loss and scalping without stop loss. So many of you guys out there are asking me, how can I scalp with stop loss? Well, it is possible to scalp with a stop loss, and it's also possible to scalp without stop loss, because in trading, if you have a good strategy and if you know what you are doing, you can scalp and make money from the market. I scalp, I make money from the market. You need to know when to scalp. This is just the problem with so many traders out there. They don't know when to scalp. If you are scalping when there is a momentum in the market, you're scalping when the market is volatile, you're scalping when there's overlapping time, these are the moments that you can make money from scalping. You didn't just jump into trade and start scalping because there's a signal. No, you need to know what you're doing. You need to have some set of rules. In that way, you will see yourself making money, making pips from the market. I've been scalping these days, and I've been seeing tremendous profit from scalping. And I want to say to you guys, it is possible with stop loss or without stop loss. So if you're thinking that it is impossible to scalp with stop loss, I want to say to you, it is possible. My recommendation is go for 5 pips. You're in and you're out within the shortest possible period of time. Don't stay in the market too long, because if you stay in the market too long, your profitable trade will turn out to be a losing trade, and you don't want to see that happen to you while you are scalping the market. So if you're a scalper, keep scalping. If you're not a scalper, you can check yourself, do some personality test, and you can see for yourself if scalping is something that you can do. But I want to say to all the scalpers out there that scalping is possible with stop loss or without stop loss. It's just for you to have a very good strategy that works out for you, following your rules diligently and knowing what you are doing. You don't have to follow the crowd, because if you are following the crowd, it's going to be difficult for you. What do I mean by following the crowd? If you are following the crowd, it means that if somebody say buy, then you buy. If somebody says sell, then you sell. If you see majority of people buying or selling, it doesn't mean that it has to go that way, because majority of the time, the crowd, they are just following signals that truly never works. So if you want to be a profitable trader, don't follow the crowd. Have a profitable trading strategy and follow your rules. In that way, you will see yourself making profit. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly how I am crushing it, making some pips scalping the market, and I'm going to show you guys right here on this computer. Right here, I'm going to show you guys on this computer. So let me go there and show you guys how I am crushing it. So guys, I'm here on this computer. This is where I am trading my scalping strategy, and on the other computers I'm trading. So guys, now I'm going to show you guys how I am crushing it, how I'm scalping and making pips for the market. So let's go right to the platform. Let me show you guys how I am crushing it. Now you can see my trades here. Now I've got trades here. Let me just drag it to the upside and you guys can see my trades. I'm dragging it up, right? You guys can see my trades here. Yeah, you guys can see my trade, right? So these are my trades. Now you guys can see that here, all these are winning trades. All these are winning trades, right? All this are winning trades. So now let's see if we can count it from the top. So here, let's count, and then you can see my trades from the top here. So let's begin to count so that you can see this. So this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 here. We have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, right? We have 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. So we have 83 trades. We can see that 83 trades is here, and out of this 83 trades, if we want to check, we can see that here at this point we have let's count our losses. We have 1 here, and then we have 2, and then we have another one which is here. So we have this as a loss, we have this 2, and then we have this 3. We have 3 losses from 83 trades. So now if we use this and we say 83 trades minus 3 trades losses, we have 80 winning trades. And now out of the 80 winning trades, we've got 29 trades. I've got 29 trades that I traded without stop loss, and we have 51 winning trades, right, that I traded with stop loss. So 29 plus 51, we have 80 trades, and then plus 3 trades that I lost, then we have 83 trades. So you can see that it is possible to trade with stop loss and without stop loss. So at this point, you can see from this point here, all the trades coming down here. I've got like 1 with a stop loss here. I've got another one here with a stop loss. But from this point down to this point, we can see this is 24th of May 2019, and then down to this point here, which is like 4th of June 2019, I traded without stop loss, and this are 29 trades. And this 29 trades, you can see that this 29 trades is trades that I took without stop loss. So but 51 trades after those ones, 51 trades is trade I took with stop loss. From this point, you can see that I traded all this with stop loss. We've got stop losses here down to this point. And what is today's date? Today is 12th. This is 12th, right? This is 12th. We can see June 2019, and you can see it here. This is 12th June 2019, and you can see the time. This is Madrid time here in Spain. So you guys can see that it is possible to trade with stop loss and without stop loss. So if you want to crush it in the market, you want to crush it just making those pips, make sure that you have a winning strategy, make sure that you follow your strategy. And if you have questions you want to ask regarding this video, do not forget to just drop your questions below. I'll be willing to help you guys out there. Come to the end of this video, and I want to tell you guys that it's possible to trade with or without stop loss. All you need is to have a strategy that is working out for you. My strategy is working out for me, and if you want to learn more about the strategy, click on the link below this video or send me an email, and that way we can communicate, and I'll be able to show you exactly what I'm doing and how I am crushing it in the market. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe.